Hey guys, it's Dia. So I received this package today. As a lot of people might know, this is an Erin Condren package. And I did order a life planner. I already opened it, but I forgot to film it because I got so excited. So here is the planner itself. I did get my full name on here. And I have the daisies in the neutral. And as you can see, I did get the, how the heck, vertical layout. Okay, so here's the planner. And I did get an interchangeable cover with the Old Joy collaboration. This one has my nickname, Dia, on it. And here's the pouch. No need to go through that. Everybody knows what comes in that. So let's get this out of the way. Alright, so like this. And let's do a flip through. You know what? I do have the same planner in the colorful. I'm gonna flip through both of them at the same time, just because they're both fairly new. So this is my work planner, and this is going to be my life planner. As you can see, I have Dia on here as well as the Old Joy. You know, I have Dia, and on this one I have my full name. So let's flip through these planners and see what we have. The colorful. Neutral. Okay. Now, as you can see, this one, my friend, he wrote my name for me in it. This one just came today, so I have nothing there. I do see some people have stickers with their stickers of their name, and they just, you know, place it there. That I'm interested in, and I'm totally thinking about getting. Oh, and by the way, this planner has the regular coil platinum. This planner has the rose gold coil. And I figured I'll get the rose gold coil because it goes with the inside of the flowers, and it also goes with the Oh Joy. And flip. And flip. This is a big difference. I kind of like the dark better than I like the light woven wonder print. I don't know. Now, my reason for having a colorful for work and a neutral for my everyday is because I plan on using minimum stickers in this planner, and I plan on using tons of stickers in this neutral planner. So I figure the colorful will be better for work, just because I don't want it to be too plain. So, flip. And you have the calendars for 2018 all the way until December 2019. Same thing in the colorful. Okay. Now, once I flip through, you're going to start seeing stickers in this one because I did start using this. I had it for a few weeks already. Okay, so I don't know what to do with this for work. I'm thinking about just leaving it plain. Over here, I think I am just going to put a bunch of stickers. I mean, not stickers, pictures. Print out some pictures and stick pictures all around. And as you can see, the Woven Wonder is just black and white here in the neutral. And in the colorful, it's obviously colorful Woven Wonder. Okay, and also the boxes. This has like some sort of, what do you call this? Like banner type style. And this one doesn't have that. Okay. The lettering is neutral besides the word planning. The lettering is pretty much colorful. Oh no, just the word motivation is colorful. Okay. Next. I'm not going to show really too much of this just because that is my personal information. This, I did mark birthdays down. I don't know why, because I didn't even use it. So let's flip to the month of January, which I'm already in for the neutral. I did get these magnetic tabs when I ordered the colorful. This is a coffee stain because I'm very clumsy and I spilled my coffee, which I'm upset about. But I did purchase this from Erin Condren as well. And I do have another one. You'll see that in a minute. So this is the difference in the monthly between the neutral and the colorful. Now, as you can see, this has a colorful banner. This one is empty. Okay. Even the lines for the calendar is dotted. These are solid lines. Okay. These boxes are not closed in, and these are. So that's that. So let's flip to February. And here's February in the colorful and in the neutral. So now I'm just going to flip and compare each month. Here is March. Here is March. As you can see, the little tab matches the colorful planner. So that's that. Let's go to April. And April. This one has a tiny bit of purple, like the Woven Wonder print is a light purple, kind of like a lilac. Over here it's a little more darker. And the quote is the same. So I'm just gonna flip through. June. July. August. I think August is very pretty. Okay. Here is September. It's very pretty. Sorry, guys. October. October. November. And December. And this is where the planner ends because I do have a 12-month. I do plan on getting the 18-month when they drop. Not too sure when. This is my first time planning using Erin Condren planners. Okay, and the notes section. So this is my work planner, and that's just information that I jotted down for work. So they did give me 2 note tabs in the colorful. They added an extra one. So as you can see, everything's pretty much the same. Here's the dot grid. Not very different at all. Not different at all. And then you get 2 more dot grid. And then of course your coloring pages, which I love because it does get very boring at work. Okay, so I might just color through those one day. Here is the contact tab. I didn't show you this one because I did put some phone numbers in there. And then this sticker book in the colorful. I did use some of the stickers for work. A lot of them. I took my perpetual calendar out. And in here, I just have an extra foil clip-in, not foil clip-in, a clip-in thing, clip-in coil. And that's really it. And same thing on this one. Brand new, just came today. Here's the stickers. Same thing as the colorful, except they are not used. This is brand new. There's the perpetual. And here's the end of the planner. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how I use this for work. Here we go. This is how I use it for my work week. I mark my hours, my break time, my days off. I mark my paid days. Okay, so this is the first week I use a little bit more stickers. This is the second week I really didn't use many stickers, just these, just to mark down my hours. And I use washi tape for my lunchtime. And as you can see, some of the marker wore off from the washi tape. And this is another magnetic clip I got from Erin Condren when I ordered this colorful planner. And as you can see, this week has a tiny bit more stickers. It is currently today, Wednesday, January 16th. I'm off today and I'm off tomorrow. And I'm off Sunday, but that's a whole new work period. So as I flip through, I don't have anything, I didn't put any stickers yet, but I do have my schedule. And you can see I'm training somebody all day. Let's go into February. Oh, I even mark when I get paid in the monthly, and I mark when my rent is due, obviously. Okay, this is the rest of January, and then here's February. Usually I know my schedule a few weeks in advance, so it's the same thing over and over. I do not have my schedule past the 9th. I'm waiting for that to come out, and that will probably come out soon, and I'll have my schedule booked all the way until the end of March. And I do have request my birthday off 3 months in advance. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But as you can see, I have every paid day marked, boo. Like, I have them marked. So, and here's May. I messed up on this one though, with my paydays. But there's a lot of birthdays in May. Okay? And included mine, which is May 18th. Even though this is my work birth planner, I still put my birthday down. I'm gonna be 32. So yeah, these are my two Erin Condren planners that I love. Oh, I did also get these dual markers. I like them. This is what I used to write in here. And I did order extra coil clip-ins. I ordered this when I ordered all of this stuff, but they sent me a free one, so I'm going to use this for this planner and like add in pictures and stuff like that. So I hope everyone enjoyed this unboxing. I cannot wait to clip on this oh joy what do you call it? I don't know what you call it, but yeah, this. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.